Hello and welcome to this week's guided meditation. This is a place to set it all down for just a moment, to collectively come together and be safe and felt seen in all the emotions that might be rising right now. Before we do anything else, let yourself arrive. This is the only place you need to be right now, right here, in this moment. If you're sitting, feel the surface beneath you. If you're lying down, feel the weight of your body being held. If you're standing or walking, notice the contact of your feet with the earth. Take one slow breath in through the nose and let it out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Continuing to breathe at a conscious, connected rhythm. Let the breath be honest. Let it be the breath you actually have today. This is a space where you don't have to perform calm or bypass what's real. You don't have to pretend you're okay if you're not. This is a place to be with what is, safely and consciously and with support. Let's bring attention gently to your body. Notice your jaw. If it's tight, allow it to soften just a little. Notice your shoulders. Let them drop a fraction of an inch. Notice your belly. Let it rise and fall with breath. Bring awareness to your chest. Let whatever is there simply be. Now imagine a slow, steady connection between your body and the earth beneath you, as if gravity itself is supporting you, as if the ground knows how to hold weight, because it always has. With each exhale, allow the body to settle. You are allowed to take up space, and you are allowed to be supported. Now gently bring awareness to the emotional field. You may notice anger, grief, fear. There might be confusion or helplessness, rage or sadness, or a strange mix of everything at once. It's okay if you can't name it perfectly or even understand it fully. Simply acknowledge something is moving in me. These feelings are what happen when a human nervous system senses threat or injustice and instability. Let yourself know, I am responding normally to an abnormal moment. Stay with the breath. Let it move through whatever is here. Imagine now that you are inside a wide, open, grounded space. It could be a temple, a clearing, a circle, or a quiet room. This place isn't fragile at all. It can hold intensity and fire and truth. Imagine this space expanding around you, creating a container large enough for everything you feel. Let it all be here now. Now, if anger or rage are present, even just a hint of it, let it step forward now. Just let it be seen, knowing rage is information. Rage is energy that arises when boundaries are violated and life is threatened. Notice where it lives in your body, maybe your jaw, your fists, your belly or chest. Let the breath move with it. You might silently say, "I see you." You are allowed to exist here. Imagine this rage as fire, like a hearth or a forge, fire that burns away illusions and transforms. This fire warms, it clarifies, it fuels courage. Stay here for a moment and let that fire stabilize. Now gently notice any fear present. Fear of loss, fear of speaking or consequence, fear for your children or family, fear of the future, fear of getting it wrong. Bring one hand physically or energetically to the heart, and the other to the belly. Let the fear know you don't have to drive, and you don't have to disappear. You can rest here. Breathe slowly. A long inhale and a longer exhale. Let the nervous system feel that it is not alone. Now imagine the rage and fear meeting in the center of your chest. Let them inform each other, share information. Rage brings clarity. Fear brings caution. And together they create discernment. Imagine them blending into something steadier, something quieter, something purposeful. This is resolve. This is grounded courage. This is the kind of strength that doesn't shout, but doesn't look away. Let this settle into your body. Now we're going to move into silence. This isn't empty silence, but listening silence. Simply ask internally, what is mine to do? And then listen. There might be words or images, a feeling or a nudge, or maybe nothing at all. Trust that clarity arrives in its own time. Sit in the quiet and ask, what is mine to do? Begin to bring awareness back to the body. Feel the ground, feel the breath, feel the space you are in. And know this, you don't have to carry everything, but you are not powerless. You are allowed to rest and you are allowed to rise. When you are ready, take a final deep breath, knowing that you are not alone. And gently open your eyes. Carry this clarity with you. Let it move through your life. Namaste.